All right, it is time now to talk about weather, and we've been hanging around for that deep tease you gave us earlier.
Yes.
Costume decisions have to be made, and there's a possibility, maybe.
We'll see. I mean, it really does look like the pattern's going to start to shift a little bit as we head toward the end of the month and into November. It does bring back some rain chances and hopefully some cooler weather as well. Doesn't mean it's guaranteed that Halloween's going to be a washout at this point. It just kind of depends on the timing of some disturbances, maybe a cold front. But at least there's a signal there that a bit of a shift is going to happen toward the end of the month, which is we need the rain.
Yeah.
I know I've just been
October,
saying
yeah.
It'd just be unfortunate if we literally go the entire month of October, which is typically a rainy month for us, without any rain, and then the one day it rains is the last day of the month.
The most important day.
Literally the most important day of the month. So we'll see once we get there. We'll talk more about that coming up in a second. In the meantime, it is still tropical season. Remember that. Hurricane season runs until the end of November, and we do have Oscar out there. So let's talk about Oscar. It was moved over the southern portion of Cuba at the moment. It was a hurricane. Now it's a tropical storm. Kind of got tore apart a little bit by Cuba, but it's wind speeds of 40 miles an hour. The southern Bahamas all under tropical storm warnings at the moment. Not the Nassau area, but kind of the southern islands of the Bahamas there. So if you have a vacation coming up or know somebody down that way, a little windy, a little rainy over the next 24 hours or so as the storm kind of drifts back up to the northeast. Tropical storm as it makes its way up toward Bermuda will not threaten the mainland U.S., so not worried about that. And that's the only storm that's out there at the moment and the only thing of note. There's no other systems that are about to develop or anything like that. So right now we're through O on that list. We'll see where we end up by the end of the hurricane season here. But basically between now and the end of November, it does get a lot harder for tropical systems to form, and they really start to drop off as we head through the month of November. We'll keep our eyes on that for you. Sad sight here. The fair has come to a close, which we also made it through the entire stretch of the fair without any rain. And that, I think, has only happened probably a handful of times on record. October is usually a rainy month for us, so that means the fair could be rather rainy, but not this year. A lot of warm fair activities. 82 is what it is out there at the moment. Tonight and into tomorrow morning, not as cool as we've been the last several nights, but still a pleasant start tomorrow. Low 60s, maybe some upper 50s showing up here or there. And then tomorrow afternoon will be warmer than today. I'm going to go upper 80s for pretty much everybody tomorrow afternoon. Plenty of sunshine to go around. There you go. See, the normal high is 76. So we'll be well above that tomorrow afternoon. I don't have record heat tomorrow because the record is 94. But look at Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 88 to 90. And your records are 91, 90, and 89. So all three of those days within a degree or so of record heat Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Does look like we'll have a front that might move into the weekend. Cools us off just a little bit, but the upcoming weekend looks like it'll also be a warm one too, with highs in the low 80s. So better than the kind of second half of the week, but still above normal. Not as cool tonight with a light breeze, 64, and then tomorrow dry, warm, and breezy, 88 will be your high. Where are those rain chances I've been talking about? Well, not in the first 7 of the 14-day forecast. I do have it in the second 7 of the 14-day forecast there, and some cooler weather as well. Highs in the 70s as we end October and head into November, and some daily chances for showers and storms. Of course, as we get closer, I suspect some of those rain chances will go up, some of them will go down. It just kind of ends up the timing of some disturbances moving overhead, but it does look like the pattern shifts back to where at least we'll get some rain chances back in the forecast and also a little cooler weather in there as well. And also we've added the Mavs games for you there, because remember, the only place to watch those right here on WFA and KFAA as well. And go to WFA.com/KFAA. You can get all the information for where and how you can see all those Mavs games. We've got quite a few of them coming up, and the season is ahead of us.